When you're responsible for maintaining and repairing properties, you are challenged to increase safety, reduce costs, and have a viable plan to make it happen. Now, more than ever, it's crucial to have a solid disaster response plan, especially for water intrusion. Any size of water intrusion can devastate your facility, whether it's from disaster flooding or a clean water leak. It exposes you to risk. The Cleaning Professionals Academy, also known as CPA, First Response Class, provides critical technical knowledge about the basic steps to take when there's a water intrusion issue. The faster you respond with the right dry ease equipment, the less damage, mold, mildew, odors will result. CPA class instructors from Dry-Ease are technical leaders in water damage restoration. One 4-hour class gives you practical facility-saving information delivered in an interactive way customized to your needs. A leading cause of property loss in hospitals and healthcare facilities is from water damage. Hotels, universities, schools, and government all suffer from the challenges of protecting occupants and providing them a healthy indoor environment. CPA will give you a clear plan, the knowledge you need, and more control over your budget when issues arise. It's easy to book a class. Just go online to www.cpa-classes.com or call us at 800-932-3030 or contact me.